Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I'm here with a great haul of Shemodern. It's been quite a long time since I've done a review and tutorial using Shemodern products, but here you are seeing up close some neon colors and some sheer colors. These are the powders with their new labeling. And one of these, she also sent me a couple of these green moss. Check out the beautiful holographic green, and I really like that green, and I'm looking forward to using it on Christmas. So these are the new powders, and also we have new labels on the grip gel. As you can see here, these are holographic labels, very pretty, and the glue gel. She sent me samples of that. This is the brown opaque. These are totally solid, very opaque colors. I have the brown and I also have the cream. And these are the these two. I'm going to use them on the design that you saw at the very beginning of the thumbnail of the video. I also got some brand new foils here, water decals that I'm looking forward to using with my clients. And I'm going to let you see what these look like. These are in the multicolor, so I have flowers, some tropical flowers, some butterflies. These I'm looking forward to using more towards the summer. I like these tree branches and leaves too, and the Asian fans. I really like those. These I had set aside already, so I had to bring them up. But these are obviously the Christmas ones that I had set them aside for. I'm looking forward to using these on my clients in the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned on my Instagram for photos. Hopefully somebody will let me use some of these on them. Now, here are the products that I'm going to be using on my tutorial for today. I'm going to use the grip gel and the glue gel and the solid powders, and I'm also going to use that sheer yellow and the black. Now, let's take a closer look at this brown powder, guys. As you can see, it came sealed. So I'll just remove the seal, and there's that beautiful brown color. No shimmer on it. It's just a solid brown powder. The only one of the 4 colors that I'm using here is the yellow is the only one that has that a little bit of a shimmer. The black doesn't have any shimmers. And the black powder, here as you can see, the black powder I used on one of my designs on my clients last week. So I went ahead and applied the glue gel and cured it for 30 seconds. And here I am applying the powder, and you're going to see me do something that for the first time, because so this is the first layer. Anywhere where that glue gel went and it's covered with powder, it's going to be covered. So you no longer have any adhesion, okay? So this is it. There's nothing else. If you don't leave the gel glue exposed, there's nothing tacky. So I went ahead and I placed another layer of the glue gel. I cured it, and then I went over with the other 2 colors because I wanted to use all 4 colors. And I thought I was going to try to imitate a tortoise shell look, if I pronounce that correctly, but it came out quite sheer. So maybe if you're looking at a tortoise shell glass with lights through it, it looks pretty bright and sheer. That's kind of the look that this came out like. And then I finished it with the grip gel. Now this grip gel cures tacky. So I actually went over I use this so I will not contaminate my actual gel top coat with any of these powders. And here's the end result, guys. I really loved it. I loved it so much. And you can see a little bit of the glitters from the yellow powder. I liked it so much, I went ahead and did both hands. I would like to thank Shemodern for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.